All right, what's good, YouTube? I've been on social media a lot lately, and I follow a brand called Illusion. I know you've heard of them. If you're in the barber community, it's almost impossible not to hear about them. I hear they have really good quality capes for barbers. I went on their website the other day, and I noticed you can customize one. Now, I don't have anything with the logo in my studio at the moment, so I'm looking to get a cape. I mean, a custom cape, obviously with the logo on it. I've never bought from this company. It says their capes are water repellent and they're lightweight. I feel like that's important in the barber community. So today we're gonna customize a cape, and I'm gonna order it, and then we'll check it out when it gets here. Illusion, I just Googled them. Comes up right away. I already made an account. Now I made an account so I can subscribe and catch any deals or anything like that, any coupons. Of course they have coupons, and I don't wanna miss out. Maybe I need to get a cape made, custom. All right, there's a lot of different things you can customize, from aprons to masks to capes. They have a lot of different styles of capes that you can customize. Oh, and there's more, towels. You can get towels for your shop. Your logo can be in the front. I believe that's it at the moment. So, which one should I go with? They got kids capes as well. That's dope. We're gonna go with a camel cape. So the camouflage, I actually like camouflage. I just think it's dope. It's something I like, so that's what we're going to go with. Agree with the terms. One cape is $59.99. If you buy 4, you get them for $49.99 each. You buy 10, $44.99 each. 20, $39.99 each. So that's dope. You get a discount the more you buy. All right, let's customize. Colors, let's start with colors. I'm gonna go with probably like a dark red. I can't really see it. Oh, that don't look bad at all. All right, as far as the tan goes, all right, that's cool. Let's get a darker green on there. Oh, that's fire. I don't even want to change too much. I do like camo with red. Dark green is dope. The way this looks is fire. You can change the color of the neck trim. Let me see. Okay, you can choose black or white. Now, if you know barber capes, you know you get a white collar on the neck, it will get dirty fast and you'll see it very fast. So I'm not gonna go with white. I'm gonna go with black for sure. And on the back, it has the illusion. Let's add an image, upload. Okay, you can choose to tile the image. It says on there, use a JPG or PNG file. Whoa, that's a little too much for me. I'm not gonna go with that. Let's try this again. Only click tile if you want it to be tiled across your cape. Okay, that's dope. That's dope. There's small illusion logos all over this cape, but it's not too much. And that's one thing I think is dope. Sometimes people want to put their logo on there too much to where it's just a little excessive. It's dope that it can still look like it's your brand. It promotes your company, your business. Yeah, I like that for sure. You could put text on it. Let's go white. Nah, I'm not really feeling that. I think we got a winner right here. All looks good. Okay, it's taking a picture of my design now. It's capturing my design. All right, we got an adult cape. Special instructions. All right, so that's the cape I decided to go with. When that package comes in, we'll continue this video. It says it'll take up to 10 days to print and get shipped out. I'm sure they have to do the print and all the other things that go into this process. So I will continue this video when that package arrives. All right, y'all. Package. The Eagle has landed. Aha. See what we got here. Receipt. Yes, sir. All right, it says it's water repellent, static free. Okay. I'm a little excited for this. I don't have anything in my barber studio with my logo on it yet. So I've been waiting on this. All right. This look huge. Yeah, this is big. This is real big. Yeah, that's dope. The quality in the logo is crazy. This is fire. Yeah, this tough. The quality in the logo, if you look real close, nothing's blurry, nothing's smeared or anything like that. All the colors look real dope. This is real nice. And then the hooks, they don't seem like they're metal, which is good because I have a cape at the shop and it's metal, and every time I use my purple magnetic guards, it catches every single time. So this is dope. This is actually really good. First cape from them, Illusion Pro Cape. So we're gonna take this to the shop. We're gonna put some hair on the floor with that. I'll catch y'all in the next video. I appreciate y'all for watching. Like, subscribe, turn that bell on so you can get notified every time I drop a video. And that's a wrap.
I ain't got the time to be thinking about a chick. If she getting out of line all the time, I'm a dip. I've been on my grind, I might slide, but I won't slip. I got money in my mind, get a bag and make it flip. I ain't got the time to be thinking about a chick. I'm a dip. I've been on my grind, I might slide, but I won't slip. Get a bag and make it flip. I got a quarter tank of gas, I don't know where I'm headed though. My woman say I'm a shy. She just having an episode. We only do the dash, drop it like